Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in Sem TVGH so wafre me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo Mr. So subscribe ya Mr. No subscribe me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo say in say ye man penny His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or ye Assemblies of God member and me ankasa me church member. Just announcing obi bebo nechi. Asori mani for bi so be ka say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama egu asori nani mase. And the soft be or Assemblies of God penny pass and so abekasa say and the John Dramani Mahama na membu na obuno a family and friends and a NDC party pe only favor they will not appoint you or come back do to say soft na akasa pa yenti about the etija.
If you don't go to pray bribe, you will not get government contract. Everything is increasing. So why are they just giving us figures or lying to us? I mean, let's be real. If the figures you are giving is not reflecting in our pocket, you are lying to us. You put your 1,000 cedis in government treasury bill, at the end of the year, 365 days, the interest we'll get is 50 pesos.
Yo, enti so far muhu ni say obo bona dwen e dia ma aban won o ya Assemblies of God so far kese pa e na no obo bona dwen sa no kra de me se utwu mutan e ba akopɛ ye wa sofo ni bi won ma wo Ghana ha no ma wo ma hu pa se no kra ni anini nanso because of our political affiliation ti no omo ka da. It is only when a bino ya dear pet and no mobeba about bonabaso, but Senipan or ye bonin so dear, any omu count. Senipane dada or grandpa or becana no tune simply because or was our party no. So for way dear, on Tessa, wa bona drain papa at the ama abino, wa cano crenso at their channel, ha a CBD TV in patrol, and then the first time we share channel, ya kindly subscribe. Oh, yes, one no share, one like, and 1 million notification bell no said the bear anytime no new video be out of format now so we hu na waba be hwe bi enti fast forward no also for your friend no say Apostle Alex Nkrumah say ukọ Roman Raja Assemblies of God for omo branch back ho no mama to need Revival Restoration Center papa we e no head ho no mo ano waba be bona dwen e de ama aban isa no ai na me pese mutie ne nsem o kan nyina kokosi. They
will laugh at you. If you don't go to pray bribe, you will not get government contract. This is the world. This is the reality of the world. Let me veer off a little. I became so worried last week that we are being told policy rate has come down, interest rate has come down. Now, if you put your 1,000 cedis in government treasury bill, at the end of the year, 365 days, the interest we'll get is 50 pesos. Yeah, that is what is happening. They say it's good for the economy. Really? But everything is increasing. So why are they just giving us figures or lying to us? I mean, let's be real. If the figures you are giving is not reflecting in our pocket, you are lying to us. Somebody say, I hear you. Listen, I pray for this nation a lot. A bag of sachet water. We used to buy 9 cedis. Recently, I was going to buy it. They said they have increased it to 12 cedis. So what is the essence of the interest rate going down? What is the essence of the dollar stability? I mean, how? Somebody rise up and say, I hear you. Let us be real. Let us be real. Slap a high five to somebody and say, let us be real. I became so worried. I was praying this night. I slept at 9:15. I got up at 12:15. I haven't slept. Crying, weeping. And I see faces of some of the ladies, some of the men, some of the business. I see the faces. And that's what makes me break through. I don't pray general prayers. If you are living a horrible life, God will not bring your face to me. to pray for you. Oh yes. What I said, I just veered off. But I need to say it because say Radia then. What the thousands is the quarter 300 50 pesos. I called a banker and he told me, because the interest rate, the treasury bill, I mean, what do you call it? Fixed deposits is now 2.7, 3.1, because treasury bill is now 4.8. And they say that thing is good. Good for who? There was a man who was building a house for his children, and he was starving the children. He said, "Me see dana mamu, me see dana mamu. This is the see dana. Odi nkoda nso akwami do amu. Chale, obo dan so start a plaster na many nyina wu. Enti why na better than no? That is what they are doing to us." Listen, until we stand up and speak the truth from the word of God, we just accept anything anyhow. Somebody rise up and say, "I hear you." Am I speaking sense? Or maybe you don't go to the market I go. You don't go to the market I go to. Charlie, if you love me, stand up and clap your hands. If you don't love me, sit down. If you don't stand up and clap your hands, I will suspect you. All right, take your seat. I will finish very soon, but hear me. Somebody say courage. Say courage. Listen, it takes courage to act upon the word. Let me give you an illustration. All Israel, they all believe in God. But one man stood for 40 days and insulted God to the face, spat on the face of God for 40 days, and King Saul ran away, yet they all believe in the word. But a young man who was a shepherd came. He didn't say, "I am coming to you through faith." Courageously said, "Who is this uncircumcised man? I will kill him." Everybody rise up and say, "Courage." Kokachem 12 and 9 say, "Esuru kacha obi so jijentira ase ene akukuduro." Kachem jijentira ase na akukuduro.
Some ya aware say President Mahama or your Assemblies of God ni enumpo anansemu o mo beka say wasi or sorry dan bako 10 dia mom. Papa we so ya apostle peni ye wa Assemblies of God ho no. Enti senko ye obi a anka nye ekoso yi anka almost so da. Anka almost so da. Nenso ye nye ekoso ampampa ene de wo feel de wo hu enti e na oboso no. Unlike asofo obinom metumi aka say ekofi oduro. Sometimes we who pardon so you want a man and say bye. A nipa bonechi and sana or breaking silence about Becca baby. A woman. Na no what you crano, Ugusu trada pa, was some trada pebium. Say ya or a mahama fix it, Akosum, Nakosum, no, and a supply the whole Ghana, light na. Akosum book a supply some part of Ghana. And so still doom some Mianka Sangas and Nea doom on my experience be. Ahomachini na kwa na meda light of him. Wohu enti no se wo ye sofo ana wo ye kyese apart from sorrows wo ye se ye ka nokre se ekoyi e wo se ye ka se ekobone nso a e wo se ye ka na ye njai se da bia no ye di ye nim tetetete no sofo apostle wa ya ade papa wa ya ade na so said the papa yi wabɔ no kure wabɔ na adwen na sɛm waka no so ye no kure no enim sɛ nkofo bi be sɔre aba bi di papa yi atem ane Dr. Mary Uzi girls prefect wo de Judy bra na we nso be bobɔ wadwen ma no sɛ de obobɔ ma ɛyɛ Pentecost chairman no ɛyɛ apostle Nyameche sɛ de onu didi na atem no minim sɛ we so enso ye obedidi na atem we de ɛyɛ Mahama na sɔre a wokɔ wo boss asɔre ko nka wanka wo bete bra na wo nso bɛkeka na weadie me sure say weadie nka no one say wo ko fie straight Mr. Wahwe Eduanuma, kindly bring in your comments. Okay, inflation above for me na ya tepa with figures there see above is it reflecting in your pockets? A reflect your pocket ma you negatively and as positively through bra comment section. Let's start the discussion. Okay, you see pure water e be baby for say atum baby for see entum ohonom na it is saying through comment in mame our comment section honomo. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.